Purines are a type of nitrogenous bases that consist of ring S, A1, B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is 2. Which of the following serves as antigen receptors? A. Antibodies. B. Cytokines. C. Chemokines. D. Necrosis factors. The correct answer is antibodies. A harmless version of tetanus toxin is called A. Clostridium. B. Plasmid. C. Toxoid. D. Thylakoid. The correct answer is toxoid. The heavy and light chains of the antibodies are linked to one another by A. Covalent bonds. B. Disulfide bonds. C. Ionic bonds. D. Hydrogen bonds. The correct answer is disulfide bonds. Which antibody is produced at high levels in response to parasitic functions? A. B. C. D. The correct answer is A. Which is the first antibody secreted by B cells following stimulation by an antigen? A. B. C. D. The correct answer is M. Who proposed the clonal selection theory? A. James Watson. B. Niels Jerne. C. Francis Crick. D. Frank McFarlane Burnett. The correct answer is Frank McFarlane Burnett. Who discovered the vaccination against smallpox? A. Louis Pasteur. B. Francis Crick. C. Barbara McClintock. D. Edward Jenner. The correct answer is Edward Jenner. In case of acquired immune system, a secondary immune response is generated by the A. Memory B cells. B. Germ cells. C. Lymphoid tissues. D. Antigens. The correct answer is memory B cells. Some of the activated B cells lead to the formation of short-lived A. plasma cells. B. evanescent waves. C. memory cells. D. thymus cells. The correct answer is plasma cells. B cells arise from A. progenitor cells. B. antigens. C. antibodies. D. natural killer cells. The correct answer is progenitor cells. Antigens that do not require the involvement of T cells for the activation of B cells are A. thymus dependent. B. thymus independent. C. intracellular pathogens. D. facultative anaerobes. The correct answer is thymus independent. B. lymphocytes that do not differentiate into plasma cells are called A. T lymphocytes. B. helper T cells. C. memory B cells. D. memory T cells. The correct answer is memory B cells. According to the instructive model, the antigen instructs lymphocytes to produce antibodies. A. true. B. false. C. D. The correct answer is true. Plasma cells possess extensive smooth endoplasmic reticulum. A. true. B. false. C. D. The correct answer is false.